Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 2000 to 2006 Tundra. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove the vehicle's bed. With a hole punch or air hammer, remove the 3 rivets retaining the crossmember to the frame. Two on top, one on the bottom. Step 3. If you wish to retain your gas tank strap, remove it with a 12mm socket at this time. And remove the crossmember. Step 4. Clean and grind away rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Note, the frame features a curved lip. This will need to be trimmed away, as our part is larger and wider than the factory crossmember. Finally, install the crossmember with the included hardware with a 14mm socket and 17mm wrench. Then coat the part with a primer to help prevent against rust development. And you're done!